Birds are very appealing to use in movies, in films, because they're very poetic. They are migrating animals, which make them interesting for in a storytelling sense.
If someone wants to discover the world of birds, they no longer need to learn from others or progress slowly alone, but use digital means to learn and become fascinated.
I was given the task of converting the texts written by the team into a video, into a storytelling in visual form. I usually write my own scripts together with the client, and in this case I didn't write the script, so it was a bit of a different situation for me, like a marriage between two different things, filmmaking and academia.
We recognize the birdwatcher of today as someone who is equipped with binoculars or a camera.
Oftentimes you have to compromise with the content a little bit so that it's more accessible, more easily digested. I used my storytelling instincts, so to speak, and to make it seem like a story that's being told when it's really an article that we are presenting. So I had to find ways to make it more appealing without twisting the words at all.
Birdwatching has not only become a very popular cultural phenomenon, but also means different things for different people.
We used animation to visualize, like for instance, count-ups, like when we count up several different things, we use animation to make it understandable and to make it appealing for the viewer. Especially I've learned a lot about this bird that we use in the animation. I had to really make a detailed depiction of and see how it moves and flies, and the dream of flying is an ancient old human dream, right? You can really empathize with the birds because they are inside of a world that we are changing for them, and so it's poetic on many levels, I would say, and it's wonderful to see them and to use them and to put words on their situation.